Hi again. It's Rosemary with Craft with Ro. Thanks for joining our cozy Christmas craft along. We've got 12 great projects for you. I am working with project number 11. We're going to be creating a really cute gift card. We're featuring the ornamental Christmas stamp bundle and the modern Christmas paper. So, really fun. Come along, craft along, and let's get to it. Okay, so really fun card that we're going to be creating here. Very easy. We're going to open this up. You got a little opportunity to put your little sentiment in here. You're going to be able to add your little gift card, tuck that right in the back there, and we're going to decorate the inside of this as well. So this is probably my third take at this video. So we're going to catch you up really quickly on what I've done already. So I took the 8.5 by 5.5 cardstock that's provided for you, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then you're going to take two pieces of your choice of designer series paper, and this one's at 2.5 by 4 1/4. I'm sorry, 2.5 by 4, and this is 2 1/4 by 4. And then we're going to take this piece here, which is 7/8 by 4. And we're going to add that. I've already got adhesive on here. And we're going to add that right to the center there. So we have our front of our card made. Then you're going to take the circle that is, oops, hold on one second, this is sticking. You're going to take the circle that's provided in your Christmas ornamental dies right here. Oops. We're going to take that circle and you're going to die cut that in gold foil paper. And then I took our stylish dies and I took the second largest circle in there. It's got that nice little stitching around there. And I stamped Merry Christmas in real red. Excuse me. And then you're going to take about 12 inches of your twine and create a double bow. Oh my goodness. I'm not stopping to record this, re-record this, guys. And then I attached it with a glue dot. We're going to add that right in the center there. There we go. And now we're going to create the inside. And what we're going to do is create, sorry, the little tag piece on the inside so that we can tuck our gift card. So we're going to take 2.5 by 5 1/4. And we're going to score this at the 1 inch mark. And then we're going to score it at the 2 1/4 inch mark. So we have that little flap right here. And then this gets folded in half right here. We got one folded over inward and one folded backwards towards the back. And we are going to take this and line this right up against the edge here, right before the score line right there. And I'm going to take a little bit of my tear and tape that I had sitting right here. And I'm going to add just a little bit right here. It'd help if I put my glasses on. I'm going to line that right up here, nice and evenly. I still haven't put my glasses on. That would help. Truly helps glasses for me. There we go. That was stubborn. So, oops, we're going to line that right up along this edge right here. Just before the score line, guys. Just before the score line. And I inserted mine backwards, but let's see if I can take this. It's actually fine. You actually flip it the other way so that, oh, actually I can do that still. Duh. We're going to add some two-sided tape right here along the inside, just at the edges. Probably should use a little bit bigger piece than that. And I love it because you can just tear this. That's why they call it tear and tape. And we're going to peel that off. And that's going to go right like that. Right? I got a little bit extra showing. I'm just going to tuck that right in. And then we're going to take 7/8 by 5 inches, and we're going to decorate the outside of this right like that on both sides. Oop. Line that up right like that. This is going to get lined up right like that as well on the other side. All right, so now we're going to do some more stamping here. We're going to add our Christmas tree and our little sentiment here. And I'm using Granny Apple Green. Lightly tap it. Let's see. Make sure I get it good. That looks good. I'm just going to go off to the left side of this sheet right here. And we're going to add our little star. Actually, I'm going to grab some liquid glue. You can probably pop it up, but depends on what you're going to be tucking in here, because you don't want the card base to be too thick. I'm going to put that guy right there. And then we're going to stamp the inside with Be Jolly. And I'm switching over to Real Red. And I'm just going to put that right on top there, towards the top, so that we can write my nice little sentiment there. Because we're going to be tucking this in this way, this is going to adhere to this side right here. I actually did put this on the wrong way, so you would flip it the other way, but this is still going to work fine. We're going to put that right here. So instead of it going from in the back, it's going to be tucked in right like that. Actually, that is not true. you are going to tuck it in just back here, right like that. And this is going to be polka dot, and it's 4 by 5 1/4. There we go. Now we're going to decorate the outside of the inside with this fun little ornament. So you're going to take your ornament die from here. You're going to take this piece and this piece. You're going to line them up together in your die cutting machine. So line it up. You're going to line that up in your die cut machine evenly, just like that, and run that through. And it creates this really nice ornament with the stitching. And we are going to adhere that right to the inside. And then I took our Granny Green apple and I cut the little top of the ball. We're going to add that right on top. So then what we do is take your gold piece of gold foil paper and you just run this through, because what you want is the circles that are in there. And I have pre-cut all those out for us. And we're going to put those with some liquid glue right in the center. Line those up nicely there. It's probably easy. I'm just going to put a little dot in each circle here. Add some nice variation to the ornament. There we go. Perfect. And now we're just going to, I added gems. I'm going with the Granny Apple Green, kind of just to pick it up. So I actually went with the largest size in the center, the 2 medium size in your gem packs. You go, oops, get that back in place. There we go. And then the 2 smaller ones go on the outside. And there you have it. A nice, fun, full gift card. Perfect for a stocking stuffer. Nice holiday gift. Oh, let's put some gems on the outside here. Look at that. I'm rushing through this. I've been doing so much recording today. So frustrating too, because one of them I accidentally deleted and I have to redo it. And we'll do one more. Put that right there. All right, now we are complete. Thank you guys so much for joining our 12 projects for Cozy Christmas. I will be back on, you'll see me project number 12 as well. We will be creating a really fun, cute little Christmas tree ornament. So thanks for joining and have a great day.